Hello friends, hope you all are doing good in this pandemic situation. Today I gonna test the maximum distance covered by Mavic Mini. I have the FCC version which is around 10 months old and Dji claims it can fly up to 4 kilometers. Let's see if it can break its previous record or not. The video will be totally uncut. Oh, heavy wind warning. Can it break its previous record? I have a doubt. Wow, my drone has reached the maximum distance in its lifetime and just broke the previous record. Let's see how far it can go. Oh my god, it got stuck to my previous set maximum distance. I never thought it will go beyond that. But no worry, I have changed it. Despite the strong wind warning, it has reached 1.5 km without any extender. That's a very good and impressive thing about Mavic Mini. I am trying to force it to a few more meters. Let's see what happens. No, it's not moving further. As you can see, 1508 meter I have got today, which is more than 1.5 kilometer. I have not used any kind of extender like Yagi antenna and others, and despite of heavy wind pressure, so I must say this is a very good performance by Mavic Mini. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all the notifications. Thank you. See you again.